So for the first question, there is M and line, to both lines are given here, and both are parallel to each other. It's given. This is M line and this is N line. This is what? P line. P. Clear? So what is there? Then this is 3x given. How much? 3x. And this is what? X given. Now they forming what is the x? What is the value of x? So you know, if two parallel lines are there and one transverse line is there, so ट्रांसवर्स लाइन के एक ही साइड के वन साइडेड इंटरनल एंगल्स आर ऑलवेज सप्लीमेंट्री. इट मीन्स this x plus 3x, x and 3x both are internal angles and both should be what? Supplementary. तो क्या हो जाएगा? So since solution, since x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree, therefore x plus 3x is what? 4x. Clear? 4x is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay, so now 4x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 degree upon 4. So therefore x is equal to 4 4 ja 16, 2 20, 4 5 ja 20. So x is equal to 45 degree. Clear? So x is equal to 45 degree. This is the final answer. X is equal to 45 degree. Clear? Now you come to second question. Second question is what? Second question, in the given figure, if line A parallel to line B, okay, so x is equal to 45 degrees. So but in this question you have to tell the option. Okay, A B C D, D over there, and D multiple choice question answers options are given. So C is the right. Okay, so C. Clear? Now you come to second in the given figure is given, so I am making the figure also. Okay, so this is what? A line, this is B line. Okay, in the given figure, if line A parallel to line B, here both lines are parallel to each other, and one more other line, that is what? Transversal line. Okay, and another line, that is transversal line, so that is what? Line L. Okay, this is what given? 4x, and this is what? 2x given. Clear? So in the given figure, if line A parallel to line B and line L is transversal line, then find x. You have to find out value of x. So what will be there? 4 options are given. So what will be there? How we can solve this? You have to find out value of x. देखिए, sorry, 1 second. This is the 2x. This is not 2x. Okay, this is not 2x. So 2x is given. Now how we can solve this? Which answer is right? तो देखिए क्या हो जाएगा. वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, दिस इज द, देखो, दिस इज एंगल 2x Now this angle will be also be vertically opposite angle na? So this angle should be what? 2x degree. Okay, this angle should be 2x. Here I am naming what? A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H. Clear? So angle ECB, angle ECB is equal to what? Angle FCD is equal to 2x degree. Clear? How? Vertically opposite angle. Clear? So this is also 2x degree. Clear? Now these both are parallel lines. This is transversal line, L is transversal line, and both are internal angles. So sum of both the angles should be 180 degree. Okay, so since 4x plus this is what? 2x. 2x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 6x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to what? 180 degree divided by 6. So 6 3 ja 30 degree. Clear? So that is the 30 degree. You have to find out value of x. So x is equal to 30 degree, and 30 degree is option D. Clear? So that is option D. So answer x is equal to 30 degree. D. Clear? This is the final answer. So both the multiple choice question completed. Now come to second sum. What will be second sum? I am just telling you.